Hey guys, so I just bought a chandelier kind of thing for 20 bucks. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. And we're gonna convert this plug, this thing here, the end. So there's that chandelier, right, where it goes. I took it all out. And we're gonna convert. I want to convert that to a plug switch. So basically, what I did is I went to Lowe's and I got myself one of these right there. So it's just a plug basically, and I opened it already, took out the bolts, and so this is what it looks like on the inside. Oh, come on. Yeah. Taking it out, so that's what it looks like, right? And this is so simple, it's so easy, that we're gonna put basically these wires. By the way, I tested it already and it works, so I'm confident. We're gonna put this wire and to the one side. Now I didn't even check which one goes where, but I guess it doesn't matter, or maybe it does, I don't know. Guys, so I needed to strip more wires, so I have a wire cutter here, wire stripper, and just strip more wires if you need to, just to get that good contact with the plugs. So I'm gonna do it again. Alright, make sure that this goes inside first, because I screwed up last time. There you go. So put it inside, then do this, okay?
We're gonna keep it low-key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna
guys, so
lock.
this is what it looks like. So yeah, make sure it's all intact. Okay, got it all done. That's what it looks like. Man, I hate this. Now it's time to close it. There you go.
We're gonna keep it low-key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna
That is the finished product, and you can see it's all plugged in there. And I just use an extension cord. It's plugged right there. So that's how you convert it, guys. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Another tip is that you can, when I went to Lowe's, they said that you can always trim this. You can cut it right here and basically connect that to your chandelier. That's another way of, yeah, so cut this out and connect it to the chandelier wire. That's another way of doing it. Okay, so yeah, I hope you like this video. If you do, consider subscribing, hit that like button. Thank you.